Hello, everyone, and welcome to Adam Shar Weekly. Those of you who are involved in the iOS community know about the trySwift conference, which is organized by Natasha and her team. Now, the trySwift conference happens in India, Japan, and New York. But due to the current situation, the team decided to host the conference online, and now it is known as the trySwift World. trySwift World Conference is actually going on right now as we speak, and you can see there are some amazing speakers that are aligned for the trySwift conference. Now, I am also speaking at a trySwift conference, and I will be speaking right here. I'll be speaking on May 14 from 3 to 5 Eastern Time on Introduction to ARKit. The ticket is only $50, and this conference is a workshop. So all of these are workshops. So I'm going to go through how you can create or get started with creating augmented reality application using ARKit. But there are a lot of many great speakers that are available for the workshops for the trySwift World Conference. So if you like, and you definitely should, definitely go ahead and register for your favorite speakers or workshops and attend the conference. So I'm going to include the link on the YouTube description, and I hope to see you there on the trySwift World Conference. Thank you.